In today's video, we're going to make our own beach wave hairspray and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This recipe enhances and adds beautiful waves to your hair. It's all about the natural look, and so are the ingredients. Alright, let's get to it. We need 1 8-ounce amber plastic PET spray bottle, 7 ounces of hot water, not boiled, 1 teaspoon of rubbing alcohol or vodka. The alcohol preserves the spray. 2 tablespoons of Epsom salts. Epsom salt is moisturizing and boosts magnesium levels. It can reduce stress and absorb excess oil. It also texturizes the hair. Half a teaspoon of sea salt. Sea salt can improve circulation, absorb excess oil, and add stiffness to your hair. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera jelly. Aloe vera jelly is moisturizing and can soothe irritated, dry, and flaky skin. Essential oils I like to use is lavender and geranium. Lavender can induce calm and relaxation. It's antifungal and can improve blood circulation. It also promotes hair growth. Geranium can relieve stress and anxiety and improve circulation. It's antibacterial, a natural deodorant, and bug repellent. In a small saucepan, bring 7 ounces of hot water to a strong simmer. Next, add 1 teaspoon of rubbing alcohol, 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt, half a teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera jelly. Mix well and let mixture cool. Then add 10 drops of lavender and 5 drops of geranium essential oil. Then add mixture to an 8-ounce amber plastic PET spray bottle. Shake well until all ingredients have dissolved into the water, then apply to hair. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store in the fridge and use within 3 months. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.